Guys, welcome. I am here beside my vehicle. We're gonna give away this vehicle today.
Yeah!
So guys,
Of course.
from your see me, right? You know what's ever come to give away, right? I give it away a free shipping coupon. And you want one?
Yes!
And you want a new vehicle?
What of course?
Guys, you're seeing it live today. We're giving away a shipping coupon plus a vehicle.
Honda!
You hear that? Honda we are give away, guys. And I say hi to them. But you say hi already, right?
Hi!
You like the company?
I love it.
You must love the company because we are give you a coupon plus vehicle.
Can I tell you?
Guys, you need to sign up right now so you can win a free vehicle plus some free shipping coupon.
Definitely.
Alright, great. Alright, Anna, I'm going to ask you a question. You get the question right, you select out of one of these envelopes, you win a free shipping coupon and you win a vehicle.
Okay. I'll try.
Alright, so here is a question for you. We have a feature on our website where we give you 4 free shipping coupons per year. You have to join it though. You go to the website under your profile and you click on free shipping coupon, then you click join and you're in the program, right? How much does it cost to join that program?
Free!
Free, she said free, guys. I hear that? A pure freeness. You join the platinum program for free, you get 4 free shipping coupons. You win free shipping coupons separately and you can win a car. You hear that? Fully for freeness. Alright, Anna. You get a partner right. Let's see if you can choose an envelope. Guys, drum roll. For the prize of a car, brand new car, and a free shipping coupon, she's gonna select from one of these envelopes. Which one you want?
This one.
She chose this one, guys. Oh, I'm so excited, guys. I don't know if she's gonna win the vehicle. I don't know if she's gonna win the shipping coupon. But look here. How you
To
feel?
get a car?
How you feel?
Excited.
You feel like you win the car?
Yes.
We don't know if she win the car. Me look.
Free shipping coupon.
She won a free shipping coupon, guys. And just for being a sport, I'm gonna give her the car for free. So she win a coupon plus a car. Guys, when I wait, sign up so you can win a car plus some free coupon. Listen, before you go in, a joke me I make. We not give you no car.
Exactly.
Bye, guys. And you can tell them bye for me.
Bye.
Bye.